In this video, we're going to take a look at my 10x commissions machine review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my 10x commissions machine review. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. So, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look in the video description. If you're watching this on YouTube, click that link. That's going to take you to the bonus page here. Okay, then you just scroll down till you see under the video here, you're going to see a button that says Get 10x Commissions Machine. Click that, then that's going to take you to the sales page here. Then you can scroll down till you see the click here to grab your copy today. So once you do that, that's going to lock in my bonuses for you in the back end on side of Warrior Plus. Okay, so once you check out, then you can go in Warrior Plus to find your product that you just bought. And then you could find my bonus page link inside of there. I'm going to show you how to find all of that stuff at the end of this video, right? So don't worry about that. But let's go ahead and go over the sales page here together. Okay, so the sales page reads, the underground method exposes the virtual unknown secrets for 10xing your commissions that make us $5K monthly inside income. Okay, go ahead and check out this VSL. Pretty much explains what's on the sales page in a video format, right? So it's really good. So if you want to learn more about what this is, but pretty much in a nutshell, it's going to show you how to set up your campaigns properly, right? So it's going to show you the YouTube, how to do that. It's going to show you how to set up a website for free. It's going to show you a lot of stuff, and I'm going to go over all of those things once we get in the members area so you can see what I'm talking about. But let's continue on here on the sales page. Okay, so as you can see, some screenshots here by Cynthia and John as well. They're both launching this product together, and they both do affiliate marketing in the same manner. Okay, so here's some what are people saying about the product. You can check that out too. Okay, welcome from Cynthia and John here. So let's just scroll down to the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the bonuses here. So you're getting 5 action bonuses if you pick this up right now. So it's worth $935 in free bonuses. And these bonuses are also going to be on my bonus page in the number 3 bonus. So you're going to be getting all of this stuff, right? So bonus number 1 is Multiplier. Bonus number 2 is Urgency Suites Pro. This is a very good software. I use this all the time in my affiliate marketing and my regular marketing. Bonus number 3 is Boss Secrets. Bonus number 4 is $350 per day sending emails, and bonus number 5 is 0-hour workdays. So this is a good product as well. This is Brendan Mace's first product whenever he first got started. So that's a really good product that I learned from as well. So here you got your money back guarantee, so you can go ahead and test drive the product out for 30 days and check that out. And if you have any questions, you can scroll down to the bottom here. There's some FAQs that you can check out. All right. Okay, so here we have Cynthia and John. As I've said before, they're launching this product together, and I've promoted both of these vendors' products before. They're both very good vendors. All right, so let's go ahead now and move on. Okay, just go ahead and read everything on the page, guys. Make sure you understand everything. Everything's clear to you and you understand what you're buying here. So let's go ahead now and move on to the members area and check that out. Okay, so we're inside the membership area for 10x Commissions Machine. Up here you have Facebook group. You can go ahead and join that. You can also check out the YouTube channel for John here. He has a lot of quality content on there as well. So in module number 1, we have the welcome and overview video. So here's a video from John here. You can claim your spot for the exclusive advanced training call here. Claim your fast action bonus is here, and here's a message from Cynthia as well. And you can go ahead and sign up to her YouTube channel right here. Okay, so let's check out module number 2 here. So this is the main training area. So here's all the videos included. Okay, so the first video, how the 10x commissions machine works. So it's going to show you how to get started and what it's all about. So the second video is quick website setup. So he's going to show you how to set up your own website for free. So it's pretty cool training in here. Okay, so we have starting a YouTube channel. So you're going to learn how to do that. Okay, in this video, you're going to set up your Aweber account. So if you're not familiar with Aweber, they are an autoresponder service such as GetResponse or Infusionsoft and all those other companies that do the same thing, right? But what you're going to do here, and it's pretty cool, is John's going to give you a code, okay? And by the way, Aweber is doing this 100% free account right now. I don't know how long they're going to be doing this, but you can have up to 500 subscribers and it's free, okay? As long as you don't go over those 500 subscribers, you don't have to pay anything. So it's pretty cool. So you need to check that out, get it set up, because if you had excuses that, oh, I don't have money for autoresponder every month, this will get you going, okay? And once you get past that 500 subscribers, then you should be making enough money to upgrade to where you can get even more subscribers in there and be able to afford that monthly fee. But like I said, the cool thing in here is John's going to give you this code, right? So you implement that code inside of Aweber, and what it is, it's a 7-day warm-up sequence, okay? Kind of like a welcome sequence to where it's going to build, a relationship with your list. You're going to be giving them some free gifts. Now, of course, once you get in there, you're going to have to go ahead and change things, like the links, change up the text a little bit to make it match your feel and style and how you talk and stuff like that. But it's really cool. It's done for you. And all you got to do is change it inside there once you do some editing, okay? So the next video is finding a product. Oh, before I go further off, I'm going to go ahead and do a special video, okay? Because I went ahead and imported those in my Weber account because I wanted to show you how you can change things in there. So I'm going to make a special bonus and I'm going to put that in there, okay, guys? It's not going to be listed on the bonus page. It's going to be an unadvertised bonus, but it's going to be on the actual page whenever you get your download links for my bonuses, okay? You're going to see it in there. It's going to be a video. It's going to be some extra training. And what I want to show you in that video is how to set up your signature, your footer, to where you got your picture in there and some free stuff and stuff. And he has that in his, but I'm going to show you a quick and fast way that you can change yours or set up yours in the place of his so it kind of looks similar, but it's going to be a quicker way. I'm going to show you how to make a template in there. And then you can use it, just copy and paste. All right, pretty cool. So that's going to be included as well with the other bonuses that are not going to be, it's not going to be listed on my bonus page, but it will be included, okay? So just wanted to mention that because I made that later and I didn't want to change the bonus page again. So, but anyways, let's continue on here. So finding a product to promote. So you're going to learn about that. You're going to learn how to build your bonus page. Okay. This is going to be using Commission Gorilla. As you can see, there's no check mark here. It means that I didn't watch the video because I'm using Commission Gorilla for my own bonus pages. So, I know what that's all about. All right. So bonus delivery page and free buyer leads hack. Okay. Pretty much we all use this, but it's an awesome little tool that he's going to show you how to set it up and stuff. Pretty much it's how to get buyer leads from the products that you're going to be promoting, right? You think about it like this: whenever you promoting a product, right, an affiliate product, but those buyers, those emails are going, the buyer emails, right, they're going to the vendor, not you. But this is a cool little way that you can hack the system and get those emails as well. And we all use this. Everybody that's in this IM space that I'm friends with, we all use this little cool hack, okay? 10x commissions machine video, so go ahead and check that one out. Free traffic from a blog, so he's going to show you how to do that. Email promo mastery, building a landing page, free traffic method, buying solo ads and leads. He's going to show you also a case study in here, and 10x branding secrets. So that's pretty much all the training, guys. And module 3 is just a conclusion video, right? The next steps you need to do. The bonuses are in here, some unannounced bonuses in here. You got your resources inside of this module, and of course number 7 here is the upgrades, right? If you didn't purchase the upgrades whenever you was going through the checkout process, you can always access those in here and get them later on. So now let's go ahead and check out the upsells and see what's in there. Okay, of course, on the front end here, we have the 10x commissions machine, which is $12.95. And we already know what this is, right? Step-by-step blueprint on how to set up powerful affiliate campaigns. And it's going to show you how to 10x your commissions, right? OTO number 1 is 10x commissions machine pro version, where you're going to get some advanced training if you want to check check that out. So it's $47 with a 37 down sale. Upsell number 2 is 10x commissions machine done for you, $365. So this is at $47 with a 37 down sale. So you're going to get the done for you bonus pages every week for 365 days. Now, I'm not sure if I think you're going to get the codes, okay, guys, for this. So you're going to need Commission Gorilla. I have a Commission Gorilla link in my description. If you look through my description on all of my videos, I have a Commission Gorilla link. If you need to get that, go ahead and get it so you'll be set up, okay? But that's in there for you guys. Upsell number 3 here is 10x commissions machine, double reseller rights. So this is $67 with a $47 down sale. So you're gonna be able to sell 10x commissions machine as your own product, right? And keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as his previous products, the collector. So it comes with guaranteed approval to promote, ideal for newbies, right? And the last upsell here is number 4. This is 10x commissions machine coaching. This is at $197 with a $147 down sale. So basically you're going to receive 2 to 3 Skype or Zoom coaching sessions with John, and you're going to have email and Facebook support for a full month where he can help you with anything regarding internet marketing. And with this upsell, I recommend, because I do it myself and a lot of marketers in this space do it, because we want to help as much people as we can get from the position that you're in now to the level that we are in today, right? So that's the basic idea of doing these sessions. And that's all of the upsells, guys. So let's go ahead now and check out my bonus page. Okay, so I'm just modeling the sales page here. Again, go ahead and click on any one of these Get 10x Commission Machine now, so you can go ahead and lock in my bonuses for this offer. All right. So I'm just going to scroll down here. All right, so bonus number 1, guys, is the copywriting sequence. So I just got my certification for copywriting not long ago, so I want to share with you some of the things that I learned on copywriting and how you need to write certain copy for different sequences when you're driving your customers or prospects through the sequence. Okay, so this is going to help you out. All right, so bonus number 2 is spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. So this is going to be some good extra training that is complementary to the 10x commissions machine, right? So bonus number 3 is autoresponder sequences and automations. So you're gonna learn the secrets behind email marketing and how to set up a money funnel on autopilot. Now, this one's going to be a little bit different because it's inside of GetResponse. So I use GetResponse, I use Aweber, and also use my own autoresponder inside of my own website, okay? So it's self-hosted. But in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you my GetResponse stuff and how I have that set up in the back. Now, there's some automation in there, so you could do this as well in Aweber, okay? So you just have to implement the same types of system. Pretty much the same thing. It just looks different because it's a different type of format. But really good training right there. And bonus number 4 is the 5 vendor bonuses that we seen on the sales page worth $935, right? And you're going to get all of this, guys. That's combined. That's $1,136 of extra value when you order through my link today. And again, you're going to have that extra bonus in there where I'm going to show you how to do that footer inside of Aweber to save you a lot of time. It's going to save you a lot of time, and it's easy, just copy and paste, all right? So I'm going to show you that. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is how to find your bonuses once you check out and do all that stuff. So let's scroll all the way down to the page here, and you can see how to find your bonus in Warrior Plus. So step number 1, now you're going to have a Warrior Plus account, guys, and you're going to be able to set one up after you check out, but I'd rather do it first. So if you're a newbie out there and you don't buy these marketing products that often, go ahead to warriorplus.com, sign up for a free account, okay? And that way, once you go through the checkout process, you can simply just log in and it'll be in there waiting for you, okay? So you don't have to worry about setting that up later on. All right, so let's check it out. Once you get that account set up, you're gonna find your little name here, and there's a little drop-down tab. Click on that, and then you're gonna find purchase history. Once you click that, it's gonna take you to the next page. You're gonna look for 10x commissions machine, then you click that link, okay? Then you're gonna go to the final step 3 here, where you're gonna have a green button to access your purchase, which is gonna take you to the members area, and you're gonna have the blue button here, where you can access my bonuses, okay? So that's pretty simple how you find the bonuses, right? So now I have some free training also in the description if you want to check that out. Look in the YouTube description and check out some free training. And you can also go ahead and check out some advanced training in a webinar that I have a link to in there as well. And that's going to really help you guys out with that advanced training. So check that out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. Go ahead, leave me some comments below on what you thought about this product. And go ahead, like, share, and remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed already so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so that's going to wrap up my 10x commissions review. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi. And guys, happy marketing.